Okay, I have two new Griddle Crew boxes here that just arrived, and I'm going to open them up for you just to kind of show off what I got. One of them, I know what's in it because I picked out what went in it, and the other one is a surprise, so I don't know what's going to be in that one. So let's start with the one that I know, and we could talk about what I got and why I picked these things out. So, the first thing I picked out, and you've seen me open these before, is the Blackstone uh, insulated tumbler. This is one of their kind of travel coffee mugs. It's a black one. I love these cups. I don't know if you've experienced getting one of them. They're really affordable in price. They're less than $20. They have the best lids that do not leak. I have had these things topple over in my car full of coffee, and they have never leaked. They have never spilled, and they just are great all around travel coffee mugs. So if you like these kinds of things and you want one that's affordable and works really, really well, I highly recommend that. So let's see what else we got. Oh, I got another one of those because I gotta have both colors. So here's the orange one. Same thing, same kind of cup. I kind of like the orange one better, but I just got one of each color. All right, so in addition to those, I also got the small Blackstone scoop. I already have the large scoop, um, and while I like the large scoop, it's kind of like it's big, right? And it's almost more than I need most of the time. Like you're literally shoveling up huge amounts of food, and I'm just not making those portions of food that warrant needing the big scoop very often. So I went ahead and got myself a small scoop just so that I can use it for more realistic portions. And then the reason this box is so big is actually because I got a new cutting board. And so this is Blackstone's wood carving board. I like having a variety of size of cutting boards. I really enjoy my other Blackstone cutting boards. The other ones I have feet on the bottom of them because they're more intended to be set on the griddle while the griddle is hot. Um, and so this one just looked really, really nice. It's got the Blackstone branding down here. It's got this nice handle. It's a decent size, and it doesn't have the feet on the bottom, so I can just use it as a regular cutting board on my counter here whenever I want to. So that's why I got that. So those are the items that I chose to purchase. All of these are available on Blackstone's website. Again, my biggest recommendation, these coffee mugs. If you don't have any of those, you go get them. So let's look at the surprise box. So this is what they call a Griddle Crew box. So this is a box that um, they just send to their Griddle Crew members just as a thank you for being a Griddle Crew member. And so never know what you're going to get with some of these things. I've gotten some cool stuff in the past. You could see the Griddle Crew sign up there. You could see the little Blackstone light up LED up there. All of those have been in previous boxes. So let's see. Oh, look, another coffee mug. That's hilarious. You know what? You can't have too many of these. I've almost got enough to have one every day of the week, which is perfect because I'm not super good at washing them so that I can use them each day. So this will give me enough so that I can actually use one each day. Okay, so I got another coffee mug. That's great. Got some Blackstone Griddle seasoning. I really like keeping this on hand. I use this quite often whenever I'm seasoning my griddle up. Sometimes I just scrape the griddle top down just to kind of clean it up real good, and then I want to re-season it. I like to use this for that. So it's always good to have on hand. Got a lumberjack breakfast blend seasoning. That's kind of fun. And these look fun. So it looks like I have a shirt and an apron. So let's look at these. So here we've got a Griddle Crew shirt. So you've got the Griddle Crew symbol on the front, where the pocket would be, and on the back, Griddle Crew Blackstone 2025. It's got the year on it. I actually have a Griddle Crew shirt from every year so far because I was part of the original crew. But they usually give these out at the Social Summit. So I've got one from the Social Summit the past couple of years. This is the first time I've seen them hand one out outside of that. And then we've got the utility apron with large pockets. Let's see what that looks like. I've got a few different aprons from Blackstone. Let's see if this one's any different. Sorry about the dogs if you can hear them over there. Neighbors came out with their dog. So, no, it's just a usual apron, but it has the Blackstone symbol real big in the middle. I don't know that I have one that looks quite like that, but there you go. Thank you, Blackstone. You guys go on to their website and check out all this cool stuff for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description of this video in case you want to use my link to go and get yourself some stuff, and it might help me out a little bit with some commission. All right, until next time, thanks for watching.